So this is a Hamilton Beach 40715 espresso maker. It wasn't pumping any water out. I tried to clean it with the vinegar thing, and it might have got a little better, but there's all this little plate sits up in here. There's all these teeny little holes. It was only spraying out of a couple of them, so I was like, I really got to take that off to clean it right. So, because I think it was just so clogged up. But I made this little. I just took this old wrench for something. It was just in a box with drill bits I had, but I ground the end down on a grinder to make it fit, tighten that screw, and then I just took put some vice grips on it. Needle nose vice grips on it, any kind of vice grips, some channel locks or something to break it loose. So yeah, it's full of coffee and all kinds of junk. And then in here too, there's a little spring in there. I'm just made a little plug, and I'm gonna scrape all that and wipe it out. Plug actually doesn't fit that tight. I tried this screwdriver first. I don't know where the water actually comes. See where the actual water comes out of this. I'm gonna scrape all this crap out of here. They're saying that calcium builds up in here. It kind of looks like something like that. Like another groove there.
That's probably where the water comes from. Or coming out.
I think the main thing is that this little plate with the teeny holes, little screen thing is clogged up, but I want to get this clean too. This thing is probably about 3 years old and never done this. So just been using it, and it's been starting to act up a little, but you know, next time you use it or turn it off and turn it back on, it would kind of work. But
okay, that's it.
see all that's like coffee and junk. That's the gasket up in there. Imagine there might be.
You want to brush?
Oh yeah. I guess that's good enough. I can maybe use one of the little scuff pads.
Some of the stuff is on the
It
side.
had this spring in there, so I imagine there's something, a check ball or something down in there. Turn it back over and see. I wouldn't mind running some stuff through it, but I think if I got it all clean, it'll be okay. Had this spring in here, but let me clean this. I wish I had a compressor and an air blower. Would be great for this.
Just run a
You can-
water brush. Use a brush.
We'll boil water back through this way, maybe. You can also probably put it to your mouth and just blow all around here with your mouth. That works pretty good, probably. And I'll brush it on the back side.
You wanna turn this off?
Yeah, I'm just going to finish cleaning this, put it back together, see how it works. I'm sure it's probably going to be a way better. Thanks.